I've always had the dream of creating my own Christian teen dance club. I love music and dance and have fond memories of going to the Embassy Club and the Journey to listen to Christian bands with my dad. But those places are gone now, so I wanted to create and own a place for kids to hang out, dance, and listen to good music with other like-minded kids. A place that's affordable, safe, and maintains an atmosphere that promotes Christian ideals, where parents don't have to worry about what's going on at the club. I was blessed this summer with the opportunity to make this dream a reality. Through the support of family and friends, The Rock was born. The Rock is a club without walls while simultaneously being a party in a box. Basically, what this means is that we have no building. We envision this as an opportunity to be able to reach more kids. We'll move from building to building, wherever we can find a place that will have us, and invite the followers of The Rock to come join us and party at each location. Like a grassroots movement, we'll spread the word and the fun. We currently have kids that come to The Rock from Magnolia, Porter, Conroe, Spring, Montgomery, and even as far away as League City and Austin. These kids keep coming back because The Rock, well, rocks. We dance, we play games, we eat and hang out. There's no cliques and no one's a stranger for long. I personally make sure that every person who comes to The Rock gets involved and makes friends. It's totally the best job ever. Looking ahead, we want to work with different youth groups around North Houston who may want to host us at their church on Friday nights. We want to promote interdenominational cooperation and keep the focus on the fact that we all love Jesus. Christian kids need a place to meet other Christian kids that's just for fun, no hidden agendas. So we'll pack up our party in a box and head to their location. Literally, wherever we go, that's where the party's at. And just to let you know, The Rock is teen-owned and mostly run by teens. There's always parents on site, but kids are learning to run the kitchen, set up sound equipment, take orders and make change, even MC and DJ, and do whatever it takes to support a cause they believe in. We use volunteers to set up and take down, and we all have a blast. So come check us out. You can find us on Facebook under The Rock Teen Entertainment, or you can come find me. I'd love to tell you more about it.